Good morning. This is Chinta's RV Vegan Kitchen. This morning we're going to be making some very basic carob pudding. Very basic carob pudding. And what's so nice about this pudding is that you can actually, with the basic ingredients, you can actually make it into any kind of pudding you want. Like you already saw the maple pudding, and you could make it strawberry pudding, blueberry pudding, whatever kind you want, just by changing out a few basic ingredients. The things that will always be there will be 1 cup of water, 3 cups of almond milk I'm using over here, and then you'll always have your salt and your vanilla and your cornstarch and your dates. And everything else is interchangeable, whether it's going to be strawberries with strawberry extract on top of your vanilla, or if it's going to be any kind of other flavor that you want from your pudding. That's up to you. You want it mint, use mint extract, whatever you'd like to add to it. So today this is going to be very fast, very simple. And we're having the 1/4 of cornstarch, 3 tablespoons of carob. I like the Chatfield carob brand. Then to counteract the sometimes bitterness of the carob, you're going to use just 1 tablespoon of any grain beverage, whether it's the Pero brand or perhaps you prefer Postum or Cafix or Roma. There's a lot of them that you have choices from. And then of course 1 teaspoon of, I like to use Himalayan pink sea salt, I always have. And then of course our dates. And then you're going to be adding just 1 teaspoon of oil. Today I'm going to try the coconut oil. I'm going to see if that improves, enhances, or changes the flavor of the carob pudding. So that's going to be a new thing for me today, which is fine. So let's get busy. I'm going to go ahead and add these ingredients to the 3 cups of almond milk and 1 cup of water. Whew. I forgot how powdery that can be. Okay. Then of course 12 or 13 dates. Alright, and then we're going to want actually it's going to be 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and you know I like to use the Watkins brand, although McCormick's is good too. Just teaspoons. I'm shaking this morning. Don't know why, but I am. It's humid here in Texas right now. However, it's cool enough that I've got the RV door open so I can air out the inside. So that's nice for a change. And I'm able to turn off the air conditioner so you don't have to listen to it up there. Remember, 1 teaspoon of oil, whichever one you want. But I think when we're dealing with, I used olive oil on the maple pudding, but I'm going to try the coconut because maybe it will just give it a better flavor. Okay, that is all the ingredients right there. So let me take off my 1 plastic glove. I already chopped up the dates so you wouldn't have to watch me. And now let's blend if my Vitamix will work. Doesn't take very long, does it? So we'll go ahead and take that off. Get yourself a nice pot. Can't talk this morning either. Okay. Oh, that smells wonderful. Oh, that smells so rich. You know, something about the grain beverage coffee. Look how nice that looks too. Beautiful. Something about the grain beverage coffee, it just really adds a really beautiful flavor to the carob. It almost makes it like sort of like a dark chocolate. So now you're going to want to put your pot on medium-high until it starts to boil and get a little thickness. And then you're going to want to go ahead and put it into some nice little dessert bowls. Since my last episode, I went ahead and went to Walmart and got some little dessert bowls, and I'm really shaking this morning. I guess I need to have something to eat. And that's it. Put it in some bowls, put it in the refrigerator overnight for, you know, at least 12 hours, and it will be good. So remember, that's going to be the 12 dates. It's going to be 1 cup of water, 3 cups of almond milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of Pero, 3 tablespoons of carob powder. Blend on high for a few seconds, minutes. Bring to a boil, refrigerate, and serve. And you will see by the thumbnail that it's going to be absolutely delicious. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. And that's all. That's all we have for today. Okay, then let me see if I can move the camera without messing it up. There we go. Hi. All right. Thank you for coming today. Like, subscribe, and I think I'm supposed to say share. Thank you so much. Enjoy. Bye. Oh, remember, more important than anything else, whatever you eat or drink, do all things to the glory of God. All right. Bye.